I am Obren Markov, a senior WordPress and Elementor developer, a university-educated IT professional. I have over a decade of experience creating and maintaining WordPress websites. My main service is building custom websites from scratch. Whether you need a site for your business, services, or products, it can be an online store, a membership portal, a news site or blog, a booking or event website, a learning platform, or a site to download designs or ebooks. I can also create a site that combines several of these features. Your website can be multilingual. If you already have a design in Figma or Adobe Tools, I will turn it into a fully functional, responsive website. If you only have a wireframe or an idea, I can develop a website from that as well. If you have an existing website on another platform and you're unhappy, maybe due to limited functionality or vendor dependency, I can rebuild it on the Elementor platform. If you need help with an existing website or want a new one, I am here for you. If you're an agency looking for an Elementor developer, or you're a designer needing someone to bring your designs to life, I offer one-time projects, as well as long-term, regular, or occasional cooperation. I have extensive experience and many satisfied clients. I know where problems usually occur and how to solve them. You will get professional, reliable service. I often understand your needs even before you fully explain them. Before freelancing, I was a lead WordPress developer in several agencies. I'm an accredited Elementor template author on Envato's Theme Forest platform. While it existed, I was part of the official Elementor expert network. My works on projects gets excellent ratings. My clients are happy, and I believe you will be too. The easiest way to hire me for the first time is through Upwork. You can also find my profile on LinkedIn, or contact me through my website. Links are in the video description. Feel free to reach out, no obligation. I will help you find the best solution for your website's needs. Together, we will make it perfect.